So this is how to hack destination filters with Uber.
And Lyft.
Oh, and go subscribe to him for Share Rideshare.
Driver tips, where I give you Uber tips and Lyft tips to help you make more money, get higher ratings, and overall have a way better time driving for Lyft and driving for Uber. This one is awesome, and my brother actually gave me this pro tip. He's driving for Lyft in Denver, Colorado.
So he's got a brother who also drives rideshare. So they're like a team. They're like sharing tips with each other. Yeah, that's really like family.
So I was talking to him about it, and he told me this amazing pro tip when it comes to using destination filters. Now, for most drivers, you use a destination filter typically when going home. In case you don't know, when you set a destination filter, what you're doing is you're saying, hey, I want to make sure that my ride gets dropped off around this specific area. So like I said, a lot of drivers do this at the end of their shift because it makes sense. You get dropped off somewhere close to your home. That way you have an easier time getting home and you're almost, on the way, as opposed to picking somebody up and dropping them off super far away from you. What my brother will do is a bit different though. Take, like, say, a peak hour surge in the morning commuting hours, for example. What he'll do is set the destination filter to the radius where he thinks it's gonna be the biggest surge pocket for that moment. That way, when he drops somebody off in that area, he's already in that surge pocket and he knows he can make a lot more money that way. Another thing.
So you're basically taking a destination filter to the surge pocket. So that way you're going, like, you don't chase the surge, because let's say you want to go to a busy area, but you don't want to waste your miles driving and gas driving to that busy area where there's bonuses in that area. So instead, do a destination filter there. That way you can get paid to go get a bonus.
Yeah, that's smart. That makes sense.
That's really, really smart, guys. That's how you make $2,000 a week.
Super useful when it comes to this, specifically for Denver, and this is why he does it, is the airport, in case you didn't know, in Denver, is very far from the city. So compared to other cities where, like, say, if you get an airport.
This is another pro tip, guys. Listen up. So, this is a strategy a lot of drivers use to make $75 per hour as an Uber and a Lyft driver. So, if everybody knows airport rides are the #1 rides. You get a ride to the airport, you get a ride to the airport, and you get a ride leaving the airport, easily $100 right there. Because people take Ubers from the airport and they're going far. But so the downside is if you drive to the airport, you have to wait for a ride. But if you get a ride to the airport, you get to skip the line and then you just get another ride out. So what you want to do is set your destination filter to the airport. That way you could potentially save an hour of wait, because people go to the airport and wait an hour for a ride.
Yeah.
But if you get a ride to the airport, then you get a ride out real quick. People sometimes use their destination filters. This is why it's important to use both Uber and Lyft. You can use 4 or 5 destination filters a day. Go to the airport with your destination filter, leave. Do it again and again and again. You can make $400, $500, $600 just doing airport rides only. So there you have it, guys. And again, big shout out to Retireable. Thank you so much for giving my audience, you guys, a really easy way to retire, simple and easy, and you can get a free consultation with a retirement expert with Retireable. So use my link below to sign up for Retireable. God bless. Talk to you soon.